So today's episode, we are installing the Smittybilt winch onto my winch bumper. As you have been following me, just finished building that bumper onto my truck, and this is what I've done so far. Installed my light bar here, harness right back into its place. Now, if you know my truck, I have two light bars. Decided to keep the other light bar out. The reason is because it didn't look good. That's the other light bar right there. I'm gonna give that to my brother-in-law. So anywho, this is the bad boy. It's installed here. So I'm gonna be installing this winch. I've already wired it up. It's pretty easy. D goes to D right here. C goes to C. B goes to B. And it doesn't get any better than that. A goes to A. This is the ground. So this right here goes to the battery terminal. And that's that, guys. And then this right here, okay, once done, this right here mounts onto the body here, or anywhere that I could find there. But for me right now, I'm gonna see if I could try to mount this bad boy on top of this inside that tight space right there. That's why I haven't installed this on top, because if I do that, it will not go in. So I'm gonna remove this little bracket right here and I'm gonna install it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna fast forward this so that you can see what I'm doing.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight,
Haha. Okay. Don't know if you see that, but it's in. So I'll show you what I did. This is the remote. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so what I was struggling with, was these two little brackets right here and right here. Boy, I'll be honest with you, they are, I don't want to use a cuss word, but they are a B installing them. So this box goes in nicely here. Okay, the power button on and off right here. Let's see. Okay, so there's a power button right there. I'm trying to figure out what they are for, what this is for, but obviously it's not for the remote. Maybe it's for the remote when you don't have this thing connected to. But this is the controller box right here. Everything is in, and let's see, underneath, these are the 4 main bolts. This is the gusset that I said I was building for it, and it's to help the plate here not to crumble or warp when 12,000 pounds of energy is being pulled through here. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to put the Haas Fairlead here, and we'll go on from there. Yeah, so here, I'll show you how I wire this. Remember this power wire here? You can see right here. Okay, I snaked it through here, out from here, snaked it through here, out and onto the positive terminal here, and that's how I do it. Okay guys, so this is what I did so far. Installed the Haas Fairlead here. So now what I'm going to do next is I am going to be installing the Dyneema rope, the winch rope. I don't know if it's called the Dyneema winch rope, but most winch ropes are made by Dyneema. That's my understanding. But anywho, we're gonna install the winch rope. It's gonna go through here into here. This is the mounting spot for it, and we're gonna start reeling it in. Excuse me, just finished eating. So yeah, it's coming along very, very well. Yep, I'll show you how it looks like as soon as I install it. Okay, YouTube, so this is how it's going in. You can see here. Okay, I'll show you how I tie this thing in. Let's see. Okay. You see this? You see this bad boy right here? That's how this thing is screwed in, right? And that's the only way I can see it. There's no direction as to how I should do this, so I'm winging it the way I see it fit. So basically, I think that's where I install the rope. So here, I've rolled it up. This is the second loop, first loop, second loop, and I'll show you how I do this. Okay, so what I do is I'm holding this tight, okay, while I roll this in like that, like a fishing spool, like a bait caster, you know what I mean? And feed the line in tight. As you can see, it's going in and it's coming out. Like that. And as you can see, my engine is on. The reason is because it's draining my battery as I do this. It's got a lot of amp. So I'll show you how it looks like after it's done. So here it is, guys. It's done. Okay. It's in, tucked in really nice. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my license plate on. And by the state of California, it is required by law to have a front license plate. Because if you don't do that, the state of California will balance its state budget on your citation. Sorry, that's not accurate, but it feels it feels right. They will give you a citation for not having a front license plate so fast your head will be spinning. That's the truth, guys. So watch your back. If you ever visit California, the truth is, y'all gonna need a front license plate. So it's in. This is how the bad boy looks like. And the project is officially finished. Wow. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys. Oh, you know what? Stay tuned, because I'm gonna be buying light pods for here and for here. 4 light pods. So that's that, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,